The big difference to recognize there is when it was workflow automation and if-then steps and you could go here or there, that was very deterministic, right? And you knew where it was going. And the difference with the agent approach is it becomes probabilistic because you've got the reasoning in the middle that says, well, it could go here or there or here or there, and it's not clear-cut exactly where you're going to land. And then it's an optimization loop typically that gets you there. Is that right? Is that a fair way of characterizing what's going on?
It's exactly right. And I have to admit, I skipped one of the patterns for the interest of time that was precisely what you mentioned, is workflows that are predetermined. They are static in that they don't change. You have step one, step two, decision one, and so forth. It gets a little bit confusing because as of late, some of the workflow applications are injecting AI, but not in the agentic manner, but a step in the static workflow could call AI to extract some themes or extract something, right? But the workflow is still predetermined, rigid, and a bunch of if-then decisions, right? So yes, you could say that agentic AI is kind of the new generation of workflows.